fucking crackhead, bro. Yo.
We here. We gonna slide. Do the knowledge. Do your Google.
We have Bullshit Boutique. We get our drip up. Get your drip up, bro. It'll change your life.
Just like look around, bro.
You love this, huh? This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. You want to see Santa hitting the vid. Oh no.
I put him in top 5, maybe. Top 5, maybe. But like he's all he ain't nobody. Just give the fucking ball, bro. He had to
These are crazy.
go down there, fucking do what he does, bro. He's an unbelievable player like that. He's selfish. He doesn't play defense. Fucking trash at defense, though. You know, you like Jordan won defensive player 8 years ago. People don't realize that Jordan was a fucking.
It sounds like what? It was the 90s and 2000s.
Cheap money and
I don't know.
Might be trophy.
It sounded like mad overproduced. I
Yeah.
guess that's too much tech.
It looked like dance music though.
Why? Bro, I got 10,000 of them. Take them out of there, please! Please! I can't do it anymore. Please, take them! There. Schemes right there, bro. Well, Schemes is a big one, dude. Dylan Cruz, that's another one, dude. Dang. Pedro Martinez. Pedro. I got a couple of his rookies, dude.
Yeah, I have that one, but it's really good. This is fire. Let me look at it. Bro, this on DVD is crazy. This shit on DVD is crazy. Bro. This definitely a Neptune beat. Morning. This is a very impromptu show. I'm trying to gather all my favorite reissues of the year. I'm trying to go through. I only have till 9, so I only got a couple left to go. I'm trying to do all my favorite reissues. I just started it with Rapture from Ohio. Oh, it's from Indianapolis. And a record player who are from Ohio. Now we're in Lafayette. Song's called What label is this? What record label is this? What else came out this year?